Enjoying the rickshaw experience. Napaka-busy ng daan guys. Mga tsinelas. Rajasthani no. We are looking for a way para maka-enter dun sa Hawa Mahal. So dito guys, meron nagpa-perform. So parang puppetry. So ang ibig sabihin pala ng Hawa is air. Hawa Palace. Air Temple. Air Palace. Something like that. Ayan, nasa pinakataas na tayo and kitang-kita mo yung fountain dito. Visit. Overlooking yung buong city dito, oh. Yung mga papad nila dito. Pero medyo busog pa kasi kami, guys. So, ito yung tinatawag nilang Jantar Mantar, guys. So, let's see how much they will charge. Kapag turista ka dito, medyo mahal yung sisingilin nila sa'yo. Haa.
But the precision of this clock is 20-second variation. So King wasn't.
Do you want to rent it for me for our second wedding? Or we will Good morning everyone.
Matchy.
So nandito kami ngayon for our 4th day. I think it's our 4th day na naglilibot, right?
No, 4th day, 3 nights.
And as you can see, we are walking and we will not be bringing our car. Kasi pag dinala namin yung car namin, it will be very very dangerous. And kagabi kasi guys, na para kami ng mga pulis na nanghihingi sila ng pera. So, system pala yun dito sa India. Look at Doc Milano. Wow, very naman, sweet. Napaka-sweet ng asawa ko guys, oh. Milan, are you not sick? Put it inside so I will not step on it. Thank you, my love. Thank you so much. So, ayan guys, iyan lang yung dala-dala naming bag. And then, pupunta na kami sa iba't ibang mga tourist attractions dito sa Jaipur.
E-rickshaw, it
So,
will be cheaper.
E-rickshaw.
Yes.
So, we are on the way sa Hawa Mahal. And nagtanong-tanong kami sa mga locals dito.
City Palace and Hawa Mahal.
So we asked the people here, locals, how much they usually charge.
50 rupees.
So they said 50 rupees. So we know what is the base price, no?
Yes.
And if
So
we are
nobody try to
tourists,
scam.
we can like say 70 for us. In case they don't want to give the local price. So ganun yung tip namin sa inyo guys. Whenever you will be going to tourist spots, you go and ask the locals how much is the price for the rickshaw. Because rickshaw usually takes too much money sa mga dito, sa mga turista. So, we are on the way to get rickshaw. Are you ready?
Yes.
We are ready for this adventure. So, ayan guys, nag-aano kami ng rickshaw. We are looking for rickshaw. Huh? How much?
80.
Milan, are you enjoying the rickshaw experience or you like to bring the car more?
No, I'm rickshaw because I don't have to drive.
And this one guys, you can just chill.
I can sit.
You can just chill and pay the money without bargaining.
Making money in diesel also.
What is the first thing that we'll be going? First place? Huh? What is the first place where we will be going? Where? Hawa Mahal. So, ang unang lugar na pupuntahan natin guys is Hawa Mahal. And dun sa, what is the history of Hawa Mahal? It's very busy road. Look at that one. There's a horse. This one is Hawa Mahal, no? I think so. City Palace siya. marami ka ding makikita mga foreigners dito guys. So, nagkalat din sila. Dito na kami sa Hawa Mahal. So, nagbayad na kami. And napakarami kong nakikita mga foreigners dito. And ito pala yon. Milan, this is it, right?
Huh?
This is it?
Yes. Small window, look.
Hawa Mahal means what?
There is small window.
Small
Hawa
windows.
means window palace.
Ah, okay. Hawa Mahal.
The air will keep on flowing inside due to small windows.
I will show it to you properly, guys. Napaka-busy ng daan, guys. And makikita mo siya dito sa sa road. So, pumasok tayo dito sa sa safe space. Kami nagdidinan ng mga tsinelas. Rajasthani, no? Rajasthani slippers, guys. So, ganyan yung mga design nila. Kitna he? 300. So, 300 rupees or mga nasa 200 or 220 pesos. Let's go. You want to buy me Rajasthani slippers?
Oh no, I don't know.
So, ang dami nilang mga magagandang gamit dito. O, yan, meron silang mga sandals na ganyan, no? Diba? Very unique. And dito, napakadami nilang mga bangles. Ayan. And very unique din yung mga bags nila, guys. Kung gusto mo ng mga leather bags, marami kang makikita dito. Ah, I know some... We've watched something like this in Udaipur, right? The puppets. Ha? Katputli. So, tinatawag pala nila yung Katputli dancing doll. So, last time we are in Udaipur, we watched Katputli, right? In Udaipur. Let's go and roam around. Now, we are looking for a way para maka-enter dun sa Hawa Mahal. So, let's check kung paano tayo makakapasok dun sa loob. So, ayan guys, papasok na tayo sa Hawa Mahal. And ito daw yung entrance. So, dito sa entrance, marami ding mga stores. So, marami nagtitinda ng mga accessories. Napakaganda nung sa labas niya. Pero, yung entrance parang medyo madumi, oh. So, dito sa labas, maraming nag-o-offer sa'yo ng mga packages. And, maraming mga damit-damit na Rajasthani, mga ganon. And then, meron mga tour guides. So, maraming nagpapapicture dyan, ano. Marami kang makikita mga turista dito. No, Milan? I think Jaipur is quite famous for tourists. Like foreigners, Russians.
After Delhi.
So first is around Delhi. And then Agra. Let's here to see how much is the entrance. Okay, there's the ticket window. So tingnan natin kung magkano yung presyuhan. So Indian citizen, 52. So mga foreign citizen, 202. So yan, napakamahal. This is Hawa Mahal, right?
Yes, it's entrance.
Entrance. Pasok tayo, tignan natin. Actually, yung trip natin dito sa Jaipur, puro mga temple lang, mga fort. No? There's nothing else to see.
7 to 8 fort.
7 to 8 fort dito sa Jaipur. But I don't know if we will be able to cover it all. Ganda. So, dito guys, meron nagpa-perform. So, parang puppetry siya. Ayan, puppet. Let's go. So, ang ibig sabihin pala ng Hawa is air. Hawa Mahal means air temple.
No, air.
Air love. Mahal means love.
No,
Then...
love is in the air. No.
What does it mean then? Hawa Mahal means mahal.
Palace.
Palace. Air temple. Air palace. Something like that. So, you can see over here, oh. Makikita mo yung city dito. So, ito yung pinagpipicturean namin kanina. Nakikita nyo ba? Yung mga tao doon. So, dito sila nagpipicture. And meron silang window, oh. Bubuksan mo to. But mas maganda to. Kumuha ng tour guide, kaya hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta ni Doc Milan. And napudpad kami dun sa pinaka ma-dark. Milan. We saw a very dark place. So napaalis kami guys, baka kung anong meron dun, baka may multo. So sobrang laki ba naman ng lugar na ito. I think ito yung ano ng Hawa Mahal guys. Ito yung buong structure niya. Nandito sa dulo, pinakadulo. What is this? The one thing about the Indian fort, napakakulay ng mga forts na ginawa nila. Just like this one, no? Color red siya. Ano Milan? Your forts are very colorful, right?
Yes.
Nakikita nyo? Kulay red. Napakaganda. And dito, pagpasok mo dito, kulay white naman yung makikita mo. And napakarami niyang windows. That's why it's called Hawa Mahal. And kung mapapansin nyo, every lugar, every space dito, merong nagbabantay. It is guarded. So, para walang i-destroy yung mga tao. And well protected pa rin siya. Kahit na napakaraming mga tourists ang pumupunta dito every day. Ayan, nasa pinakataas na tayo and kitang-kita mo yung fountain dito.
That's Jantar Mantar.
We'll be going to Jantar Mantar right over there. Let's
That
go.
spot also we'll go.
So, sa mga napapanood natin sa mga vlogs, nakikita nyo ba yung cafe na yon? Overlooking yung Hawa Mahal, no? If you want to take good photos there, you should go and visit. Overlooking yung buong city dito, oh. Mula dito sa Hawa Mahal guys, yung City Palace is walking distance lang. So pupunta na tayo doon and maglalakad. And tignan natin kung gaano ba kaganda yung pinagmamalaki nilang City Palace dito. What is this? Papad. Kinahe? 20 rupiah. 20 rupees. Ang lalaki ng mga papad nila dito. Pero medyo busog pa kasi kami guys. Naikhaw. So ayaw ni Doc. So let's go. So naglalakad kami papunta ng City Palace. And dito guys, marami nagbebenta ng mga pagkain. Sweets, I think that's sweets. Parang mga breakfast, no? This is samosa. Samosa?
Yeah.
Ano yan?
कचौरी
Kacholi. Barabar.
ऑनियन कचौरी
Onion kachori.
Oh, yeah.
Kitna hai?
वन पीस
One piece?
50 रुपीस
50 rupees.
Yeah.
Wait, I want to see how they are cooking it. What labada? Oh. I think we found the City Palace, but there's no entry. Let's go. Guys, so dahil nandito tayo sa Rajasthan, kung napapansin nyo, marami silang binibenta mga marbles, no? Marbles, mga tiles, no Milan? Because we are here in Rajasthan, you can see a lot of marbles, tiles.
Because that's manufacturer of most of the tiles.
Oh.
Marble only came from Rajasthan. Sandstone.
Ew?
Sandstone also.
Sandstone and marbles are supplier. Rajasthan is the supplier. Yung tinatawag nilang Jantar Mantar guys. So let's see how much they will charge us. So ito yung tattoo guys. How it will be tattoo? Okay. Kukulayan lang pala nila yan. Tapos lalagay sa kamay mo. So, kitna he?
ये 100
100. 100 rupees. Awe 400 rupees sa mga malalaki. Actually guys, very wrong decision pala yung ginawa namin na naglakad kami from Hawa Mahal to City Palace. Dapat pala nag-rickshaw kami. Pero hindi kasi kami nagtanong. So, naglakad kami ng 2 kilometro yata. Pero sa paglalakad namin, nakita namin na magkatapat lang pala yung City Palace at saka yung Jantar Mandar. So, nandyan na si Doc Milan ngayon. And currently na bumibili na siya ng ticket. And one thing na you need to know, kapag turista ka dito, medyo mahal yung sisingilin nila sa'yo. Like dito sa Jantar Mandar, it's 202. Pero sa mga tourists, it's 1,202. So, times 10 ng presyo. So, ito yung tinatawag nilang Jantar Mandar, guys. World Heritage. Milan, I think is this to check the time, no? Jantar Mandar.
So many things. So many ancient technologies to check the time of the sun and the way of sky. So, like these things, ginagamit pala yan sa pagtingin ng oras. So, let's see further. We're currently looking for a guide. So, lahat ng mga taong nakikita namin, meron silang guide. So, para mas maintindihan natin kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin. Ayan si Doc. So, meron na tayong kinuhang guide dito. Tamaro nam hoche? Nam? Prakash Bhai. So, Prakash Bhai is here to teach us about the instruments in here. So, ito palang ibig sabihin niya, guys. Ito, meron siyang mga minutes dito and mga seconds. And there's different with 1728. It is built 1728. Exact. 1 minute of
1 minute difference na. So, there's different 13 minutes, right?
No.
13 minutes difference in Indian time and Jaipur local time is 13 minutes proper. Barabar? Today.
But
Yeah.
it varies according to season.
Shit. Okay, wow.
Exact.
Exact siya. Even I am amazed. Exact siya. According to brother here, this is the small version of
But the
this
precision
one.
Precision of this clock,
Uh-uh.
it was built first.
Ha.
But the precision of this clock is 20-second variation. So King wasn't happy with that.
There's only 20 seconds of difference.
Still wasn't happy, so he built the bigger.
This one is very precise. So, okay, 2 seconds. Okay, so 2 seconds lang yung pinagkaiba nito and 20 seconds yung pinagkaiba nito. So, hindi siya masaya dyan. So, binilid niya yung pinakamalaki dito. So, ito perfect na to. Let's go. Ang dami mong makikita dito, guys, and ang dami mong malalaman and matututunan. So, I suggest na kumuha kayo ng guide, lalo na dito sa Jantar Mandar if you guys are planning to visit in here. So, ayan guys, napakarami nilang mga instruments dito for the time, no, Milan? But,
time, inclination of sun angles, and also the horoscope.
But we are not able to discuss it to you guys, everything. Pero napakarami nilang mga ginawang
Very detailed.
Very detailed. Merong mga
With precision, no?
merong mga astrology. Ayan, merong mga small version, merong mga big version. So, ito yung Jantar Mandar, and if you guys are planning to come here, go and take a tour guide. Ayan. So, ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa City Palace. Wait. So, binigyan nila kami ng ganito guys, para sa because they think that we will get lost. So, they gave us a map, Milan. Ayan, sa sobrang laki nitong City Palace, hindi namin alam kung saan mag-uumpisa. So, what we'll be doing is we'll just follow someone with tour guide. And titignan natin, makiki-show sa tayo kung ano ba yung mga pinagsasabi ng tour guide. So, ayun, nag-umpisa sila doon sa Friends of the Museum. Gallery. Meron mga paintings. Napakalamig dito, no, Milan? It's very windy in here. Very cool. Napakaganda ng Guys, ayan, may mga board. Kasi nirentahan pala itong palasyo na to para sa darating na kasal. So, imagine how much it will cost.
You should see online.
Do you want to rent it for me for our second wedding? Or we will... Run. Million siguro, guys. Grabe.